Hindi na talaga matapos-tapos ang intriga, bashing at pambubuli, pangungutya sa ating mahalima. Mula doon sa mga kabilang fandom, laging binabash talaga ang SB19. Hito nga sinagot ng isang 18 sa Facebook. Sabi niya, ito ay hinggil o patungkol sa 2 days na performances ng SB19 sa Summer Sonic. Iniintriga ng kabilang fandom. Sabi nga ng isang 18 sa Facebook, iba naman daw script ng 18 dahil 2 days sa Summer Sonic ang SB19. Mga te, minutes pa lang ang post ni SS nung nasali at naihabol idols nyo. Ang dami nyong sinasabi na 2 days ang idols nyo kasi sikat kaysa SB19. Kayo ang nauna mag-comment tapos kami ngayon nahanapan nyo ng script. Tsaka bakit nyo kino-compare na mas malaki stage ng idol nyo tapos yung sa SB19 doon lang. Personally, at alam ko, majority ng 18, keber kung saan ang stage ng SB19. Tiwala kami sa kanila since day 1. Kiss Call Tour, Mall Tour, Provincial Tour, local festivals, which is pinagtatawanan ninyo. Totoo yun, talagang mahilig mangutya ang kabilang fandom. Mahilig sila yung parang lagi nilang binubuli na may mga emoticon, mga mukha ng SB19, parang ganun talaga. Tapos, nung nag-join na idols nyo sa local festival, super duper hype at puri kayo, guestings sa international TV show, binibigay ng SB19 ang effort nila 101%. Diyan sila kilala sa pagiging energetic kahit sa ang venue yan. Hindi nila ginagalingan dahil nasa international stage sila, kundi dahil ganun talaga sila. Magaling, may pagpapahalaga sila at respeto sa effort at time ng mga manonood. Consistent sila, local man o international. Kaya small or big stage, mahalaga yan, SB19. You can even give them only 5 minutes performance. Yet I'm sure hakat casual fans sila. As they always do, ganyan ang tiwala ng 18 sa SB19. Sa totoo lang, di pwedeng palaging mabait doon sa maninita. Wait ka lang ha, magpapalit ako ng name page. Di pa lang na finalize, wag atate. Samantala, marami naman nag-react sa post na to. May 18, may blooms, at may basher din.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't